Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to lock a bot to a single channel on Discord. So if you want to remove permissions of a bot to a Discord channel right here, so just simply go to that particular channel and go click on add a channel just like so. Once you're there, go to permissions, and here is where you can set everything. So as you can see, I have my bot right here, right? So if I want to add another bot, let's say I want to add the bot, so this particular bot, so let's say this one. So if I don't want this bot to access this particular channel, so I just need to click on the X button right here. So what this basically do is it will ignore this bot, the channel will ignore this bot, and of course the bot cannot view or do anything within this channel since it is hidden completely from the bot. And just a reminder, if you go to a particular category, so let's say here on text channels, and if you go to edit category and permissions right here, and you add that bot here too, and make it like this option also, so it is hidden from all of the channels in this particular category. So these two are hidden from the bot right there. And if I change like the options here, so let's say I add that particular bot here to the Discord utils, and I make it like save changes right here. And as you can see, there will be a message here that says permissions not sync with category text channels, right? So if you want to like sync it so that everything will be the same permissions, just need to click on sync now, sync permissions. So as you can see, it became X'd out right here. So that's just something to keep in mind. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.